Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to show you how I prep my daughter's hair and the different extensions I'm using to braid her hair. So I use the expression and impression that you saw earlier, and then I also use the deep twist bulk. This is synthetic hair and I got it for £4.49 or so from the hair shop. Trust me, this one, as much as it looks good, it tangled within a week. By 1 week, I wanted to take the whole hair off. I don't know if it's because she was a child, but honestly, this did not work. If you guys want to use the curly hair, I think it's best to go for human hair. So yeah, I just loaded it on my braiding rack because it just makes it easier for me to start braiding. My daughter's hair had been washed without any product in it, so I'm using the Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore leave-in conditioner. So I'm just applying that all over her hair. So her hair was washed and put into 4 big twists. She went to school like that, and when she came back I said I'll braid her hair. So I'm going to use the heat protector. The brand is ICI Fantasia, and then I'm going in with my fingers. So I just finger detangled because I had washed and detangled her hair, but I didn't comb through. I just put it in twists and she went to school like that, as I said earlier. So now I'm going in with my heat brush. So this brush I got it from Aldi. It's all right, but if you don't comb through the hair and you try to use this brush, I feel like it breaks the hair more. So I put it at 200. I keep the temperature as 200. I don't want it too hot. I just want it to stretch out her hair a bit, and I'm going in. As you can see, it's combing through, but the tips especially are not, easy to comb, and I feel like I'm breaking her hair. So this is not very mindful. It is not demure at all. So you guys don't do what I did. If you want to stretch the hair with heat, I feel like you should go in with a comb first and make sure that there's no tangles before you go in with the brush. As you can see, there's so much resistance, and yeah, that was not good. But I eventually off camera did the other sections in a more gentle and appropriate manner because I cannot preach and then not practice what I preach. But sometimes, when you're recording a video, things may just not go well. Honestly, I was rushing because I needed to braid her hair before she goes to bed, and also I needed to ensure that my camera memory didn't get full. It was getting full this period so quickly, so I was trying to hurry up, and yeah, I messed it all up. So you can see, yeah, you get the point.
Things are running through, million things I cannot do. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't say.
As you can see, my daughter had fun. This hair was for her birthday, and she had so much fun jumping in oxygen jumping with her birthday hair. And then eventually she still had a party. She had a party about 2 weeks after the hair was done. So you're going to see how the hair looks here. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.